Each day I get to bring a bunch of different skills I've had from other jobs here. From going to do things on the roof and doing repairs to going to the production floor and just doing daily tasks, fixing airlines, or being part of bigger projects like resurfacing our indoor pools or something. It's just fun being able to use as much skills I've managed to have and then be able to utilize them here. My name is Donald Lane. I've been with Kasco for almost 4 years now. I'm now taking over their maintenance department, which is pretty new to the facility. My daily task or my role for the company is helping out with facility maintenance and any kind of needs we need for the production floor. I found myself at Kasco just after COVID. We moved here. I wanted to be close to home, close where my kids would be to school, and this place ended up being the perfect fit. My first job here was a production employee on the unit line. I did that for almost a year, and then I wanted to learn more of the items we had on the production floor, so I moved over to repairs. And I was there for about 8 months until they got settled into their new area, and we needed a little bit more help on building things, and I did too well on the projects. And they found out that I have a construction background, and we found a need for a maintenance department. I ended up being able to get a promotion, and so it was a lucky error for me showing some skills. A great day on the job. I probably get whatever I have a scheduled task fully completed, while probably still getting about 4 or 5 emergency calls and teams saying something went down or something broke, or we have an idea, can you come out here and kind of brainstorm with us? So a busy day is a good day for me. My top hobbies outside of work are building RC cars and driving them with a few coworkers here outside of work. The reason I like RC cars so much, it's like my adult 3D puzzle. It's just like real cars once you get to a hobby grade, and then you can change all the components from motors to suspensions, and once you get to a certain grade, you really build them specifically for certain things, just like people do with their own hot rod or drifter or lowrider. But at the same time, I can have, all 10 of those different cars, and they just be sitting on the shelf even to go play with. The most rewarding part of my job is I don't feel tired and I don't feel annoyed when I go home when I work here. I have no problem coming in early or staying on a weekend to help out with other departments or projects because I enjoy being here. My favorite thing about working here is the people. The people is what makes the atmosphere, is what gives itself its culture. It's not one of those forced work culture ones. It's a family, and we look out for each other, and it's all good and best interest for each other. It's my favorite part.